Welcome back. We are now going to complete the webcast experience.
The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And you will then begin your broadcast. Now, once you have started the actual call, you are going to need to be inside of your event page. And you're going to see an area here at the top that says Live Stream. You're going to click that area. What you're then going to see are your live stream setups. And you're then going to click on the buttons in order to start the broadcast in those other places. So what you can do is you can start your webinar on the actual webinar that is being recorded. When you are ready to live stream, you can then click the various buttons to present where you are going to be. So for example, if we were to click on this live start the broadcast in Facebook, GoToWebinar is then going to connect inside of Facebook. And you will then see the live connection inside of Facebook, and it will be broadcasting in Facebook. You can undertake a similar process for YouTube. And you will then be live streaming inside of YouTube. You can undertake a similar process in a multi-stream service such as Restream. You'll then see the broadcast inside of your streaming service. So basically what we've done is we've started a webcast and we've done it all the way through to the point at which we are broadcasting. When we are ready to end the webcast, we will then end the webinar, and then we will be ending the webcast in the various places. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.